Yesterday, guys, we were buying this, guys. We hit both of our targets and we went way beyond that thanks to Trump. Even the AI was buying, so the AI was successful as well. And AI's target was 1.3340. Second one, it got hit as well. So the AI was correct and AI made a lot of money. So respect to the AI, guys. Anyways, it's soon coming on Play Store, guys, for free. And the web app, guys, had a lot of lagging and was very slow. But on Play Store, guys, it has become faster. It's doing its analysis in seconds, under 1 minute. So it's an improved version. I guess the issue was the hosting, the VPS sector itself. So I don't know whatever was the issue, but it's kind of do, giving better results. So let's start from the 4H, guys. Guys, we are at the top here. So on the day chart, guys, of course, we've had this double bottom on the daily chart, guys. If we close above this wedge today, guys, we will have a kind of reversal pattern, but we've already hit the target of that double bottom. If you look at it from here, it was like 120, and we've already got that 150 makes it. So the target has been done. So let's come back to the 1H. On the euro, guys, I'm going a bit counter trend today, but on the pound, guys, I cannot see. I don't have anything that makes me go bearish, but you know what, guys? Let's give it a try. All we get is an SL hit, right, guys? It's not like I'm going to risk 20% of my account on one trade. And if you are going to do so, please, guys, remember there is no future in trading with this such kind of risk. What will happen, guys? You will lose your account. You will start doing something else in the name of trading to make your expenses meet. So, guys, please don't do that. Never over risk your account, guys. No matter whoever says whatever shit, let them go to hell. Never risk your account, over risk your account, guys. This is a game of probability. No matter whatever strategy you learn, however capable you become, guys, you will be wrong. You will be wrong, and there is no solution for that. So you have to, other than risk management. So, guys, I expect a correction to happen, and that is my hindsight. But the trend is continuing. It may get up to go. Let's stick with the trend, guys. What's the point of fighting the trend? So, guys, as long as we're above 1.314199, guys, we're bullish. My first target is 1.34463. And, guys, my second target would be 1.34793. Okay, guys. And, guys, if we break below this, I expect a correction till 1.33787. So, wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.